like this. Fucking sex. I love this.
I'm not a go fast guy, so I have no idea what I'm looking at, but this is cool.
Yeah, side niggas and they love them. Know some west side niggas like to do the same thing. Like pull up and wreck, pull up and wreck, yeah. Pull up and wreck, yeah. Pull up and wreck. I know some east side niggas and they love them.
New package. Okay. Yeah. Little nose sticker. Yo. Here it is. My overflow reservoir tank. Alright, get off. Put a little sticker on it. No, I got a NOS bottle. Figure out where to put it. I think it's somewhere here. That looks good. Let's do that. Alright, so that's where we're gonna situate it. We're just gonna run the line over to that spot. We may have to turn the head a little bit so it's pointed in the right direction, but that's where it's gonna be. Alright, so we got the filler turned with our trusty AN tool. Now we just gotta insert and put a little decal on it. Alright, we're all set. Now we just gotta take her out.
(3:28 a.m.)
Well, as you can see, front clip is gone. It's off the paint. And this little thing is working great. Able to step on it. And while I was doing a test run, I lost the side skirt. And when I went back to go look for it, it was completely gone. Like, nowhere to be found. But we got some new stuff. What is it? New fenders. We gotta go take them. Very well packed. Box within a box. Tong Yang. Whoa. Whoa. I like these. These are pretty cool. Oh yes. Perfect. Fender. Love it. Oh, we're here at the shop. Look at that hood. Looks amazing. That is coming out great.
That was a lot of work.
I know, man, I know. But it's coming out real good.
Yeah.
You guys do some real good stuff.
Put a lot of work in.
It's gonna look real good.
Eventually.
So we're back. And as you can see, fresh painted parts back in the garage. So now we're just gonna install them. So we're gonna put these on carefully.
to cheat.
Yep, that's different.
This is something else.
We'll work with it, I guess.
bet this thing flies, bro.
Parece un SWAT. Eso es un SWAT. Mira el cash can. No, eso no es un nitro. Eso no es un turbo. Nah. Nah. That shit's done nice. And the sticker bomb? Oh, hell yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's cool.
A clean ass fucking K with a helmet sticker bomb. The helmet's fucking sticker. Okay. Yeah. I like this. Hey, look at the camera. This thing's fucking sex. I love this. Oh, wait.